inside of the CoolerMaster. Now let's take a look inside of this CoolerMaster Cosmos S case. We were talking about toolless design. So what does that mean? As you can not probably see, but let's try. Here are levers on both sides that help you to easily disassemble the part of the board. So you just pull it up and the side comes out like this. And then it's quite easy to dismount it. Okay, but this is nothing interesting. There is a second side that helps cable management. So you just pull cables right from this hole and pull them up there. The cables stay behind, and it helps to maintain the airflow inside and stuff like that. Okay, so let's pull the second lever.
Matrix.
Okay, it's just close. The side comes out, and the first thing to notice here is the 200mm fan.
Oh Jesus!
This fan is really big, so big it hurts the compatibility of the board, because we are probably not going to be able to use the biggest cooler, or we will have to dismount the fan. We'll see later. And also to notice, there is this little mesh, and I hope it's also in front of the fan, and it's going to help to prevent a lot of dust bunnies to hop inside our case. Okay, so there is some paper on the behind. I'm not really sure what it says, but probably some instructions. I hope you can see. As you probably noticed, it's quite big. There are some cables hanging. These buttons are supposedly for when you have a DVD-ROM, you just put it in here and then you fix it in position with the button or something like that. I'm not sure yet. Okay, we were talking about the airflow in the case. I've read some reviews on the net, and they were saying that the cooling capabilities of this case are quite okay. So with regard to this, we have 4 default fans in it. Here the rear fan, that's exhaust. There is one on the top, exhaust as well. Then there is the one in front. I don't know if you can see it from here, but it's there. Maybe we can...
No, we can't.
Okay, I'll help you. Okay. These things can be easily removed. And there is the fan.
Thanks, it's much better.
Okay, I think it has red LED diodes, so I don't know if that is going to help the design or something, but
where we can see that?
We cannot see them because it's not turned on.
Okay.
Okay. So
thank you, Danny.
There are 4 fans. Okay. What to say? The both of these holes on the bottom of the case are equipped with filters. Here you can see this one. I think you can take it out and clean it outside. This one is for the PCU fan, and here you can place additional fan for intake to make the airflow better. And also here are 2 additional holes for additional fans. So those of you who are going to use air cooling are probably going to use these holes as well. I'm going to certainly. Okay. Here in the front, this case has strange design. I'm going to take this out. We are looking here. Okay, this case is for hard drives. So this is where you put your hard drives. There is a fan on the front, in the front we were looking at before, and it prevents hard drives to pass the vibration on the board. But I also heard that it can hurt the airflow, because all the hard drives are going to be here and they will block the fan, so that's not that good. That's why we are going to bad design. CoolerMaster, let's make it better next time. But let's not jump to conclusions. We'll see in testing and we'll see the real temperatures. It's supposed to be good, so we'll see. Okay, see you with other hardware we got there on the bed.